Okay, there's a little, that's what the battery is. See, I don't know, right in that spot, there, right there, you put the fucking screwdriver in there. A bing! There, now see how they're all indented in there? You're sucking air. Because you just fucking evaporated all the water out of the sulfuric acid. Well, that one will come back. Watch her all fucking. Fill them all up. Put them on the charger. Bing, bang, boom. It's that fucking easy, man. People say, oh, what are you doing? It's only like 20, 30 bucks. Yeah, but there's just fucking 120. If I go half price, about 60 bucks and 10 minutes of work, right? Take my little bottle, my little squirt bottle. I just got these ones today. Ooh. Yeah. Usually this bottle does about 3 of these holes. Sounds like when I'm sticking a fucking old lady.